siyasebenzisana futhi sithindana namanye ama-business people ukuthi bahelebhe, because if let's say you look to stats, i-household siyase-Victor Khanye is about 38,000 and abantu ababhalise ku-indigent, that people abanganalutho, I think it's about 9 to 11,000. So now le list le abantu aba-applyele for indigent siyayisebenzisa ukuthi senze sure ukuthi siyabazamela abantu kuhle, kodwa akusi enough anyway, ngoba kunabanye abantu beba khona ukuthi njengawe yazi ukuthi abantwana esikoleni bebadla and manje isikolo zivaliwe akukho lokudla lokho. Now like last week sikhulume ne-Muslim community, Baba Pizza Muslim. They donated about 100 Yama food parcel, which we have given to our people. Now, Ukosa Une Foundation, now who is assistant Abanyaba. We have seen the Gutema Plasin, some Yama farmers, they are assisting Lavan Gopani Zimpupo. Urgent, Guguno. Ukhansela khona no namanye ama-members e-community bacele abo legend logistic to assist them. So these zinto ziza as and when zitholakala. Well, siyazi ukuthi ushilo upresident ukuthi izoba nzima ile lockdown, but it's whereby all of us fuze sibekezele la umncane esitholayo. But then EDSD, which is Department of Social Service, sikhuluma nayo ukuthi ikwazi ngoba inayo program le yokupha abantu ama-grocery. So that, but the issue lapha ukuthi umuntu fuze azi-applyela or applyeli on behalf of omunye umuntu, because there are forms abawagcwalisayo which are personal. So now because kune number ezinikeziwe ukuthi abantu bangafonela, but abantu basitshela ukuthi le number lezo zingene. We made a follow up ne department. I department is bathi is because angithi baningi, it's for the whole Mpumalanga. Now bathi I volume yo yabantu ama callers iyenza ukuthi because I line ide. So now bathumele nje ukuthi they are trying to add le numbers. Ama number la abantu afuze bafonele go. I think by tomorrow we will be having additional numbers ukuthi abantu bakhona ukungena bayenze nama application for ukuthi bathola ama food parcel. But yet nathi sikumasipala we are trying to mobilize these food parcel from the business people, from the churches, from all the abantu esinakhona ukuthi basihelebhe ngakhona. Ama-ward committee, ama-ward councillors, because this thing is organized in the command council which we are leading. Ama-ward councillors which are part of the command council. So now, as full, because lezi zinto sizireferela nabantu abasitazingile abantu bangazidonated siba referela ukuthi coordinated through the Department of Social Services. Go. Well, you might have heard the news with some councillors have been arrested because they pula limited regulations now. Because now the issue would see that's why we are using the Department of Social Services to coordinate that scheme. But so see what from Lapo and abantu batate from Lapo. Kungabe ukuthi now ubani ukijima nama food parcel ngoba uyazi ke mama inkulumo zibazi ukuthi uphabo bani ngoba bazi inhlobo zakhe, uphaba bani ngoba abathanda. So now the Department of Social Services is a department that must assist each and every person. So now but yet issue ukuthi siyazi vele izoba nzima, but at least sikhonile ibambi 3 weeks 2 weeks. So now we need all of us who assist as families, as relatives, as umphakathi in general. But siyacela ukuthi nabanye abanezinto bangazipha abantu basicontacte sikwazi ukuba referela to ukuthi who should organize and coordinate lento from DSD so that sikwazi ukuhelebha laba abangakhona ukuzihelebha kanje. But ke i-issue efuna thina sonke simphakathi phela what is good ngeVictor Khanye, all of us we are families sizihlobo and sifuna ukuthi lo mhlobo lo sicinise nje yabo ukuthi sihelebhane because masibambene into enkulu in life ukubambana nokuzwelana because if lese singayenza lento leyo sidlule kule COVID because we don't know how long is it going to take. If let's say you see China since from December till now they are still struggling to get it right, then what about us, see developing country? So but if una woke umuntu wase South Africa singu Victor Khanye, that's what we are pleading with people ukuthi indlala izosihlasela, indlala izosifuna sonke ukuthi sibambane ene ngaphandle kwalokho ngeke senze next. Yebo.